I'm at present at the train. So friends, everyone loves to travel, right? So Surat is also famous for one of the city which is located at Gujarat for the manufacturers. So everyone from entire people come from around the world to purchase n number of collections of the manufacturers where you can purchase the different varieties of the multiple segments. So I'm at Surat railway station. You can also travel and come easily through train. Which is a very comfortable. Kesaria biggest manufacturers. I'm going to take you in this video how to travel any city from India or from your traveling from other countries. So directly you can come to Surat railway station. It just takes 10 minutes to reach Kesaria textile manufacturers. So I'm your Rani Subramanian here. So please watch this video, subscribe the channel for the regular updates. So let's see how the collections, and if you are really interested to start your clothing business, just come. So friends, as I said, from any city you travel and you're coming to Surat, which is a Surat located at Gujarat state, I can say, and Surat is having many more benefits, and in that benefits, if I talk about the textile manufacturers, and number of manufacturers are there. But when you land Surat, first everyone feel like I need to just get a fresh up. So the numbers are on the screen. I can only tell you, just call up our executives. They'll guide you. If you have no idea of the room bookings, and you can just call up, our executives will guide you to the nearest hotel and rooms where you can get freshened up, you can eat your breakfast, you can relax, and just quickly you can take auto or cab and you can directly reach to Ring Road, Kesaria Textile Manufacturers, first floor Millennium Textile Building, which is nearly, it takes only 10 minutes to reach. So just follow me. I'm going to take you and I'm going to show you how the Kesaria Textile is giving you quality service with quality collections you can buy. Just follow me. Friends, I want to give you an important note here. When you come down to Surat and when you take exit from the railway station, you have to be very careful with the brokers people who will interact with you, and they will take you to the other markets. I request friends here, please avoid such interactions. Just take the auto or take the cab and just book it. The location of Kesaria Textile Company, which is located at Millennium Textile Building, first floor. Our shop services will be the timings morning to evening, where you can come down from morning 9:30 to till 8:30. The shop will be open. So directly come down to the reception point, then you can just start your purchase with our sales executives. They will guide you. So this is the most important note. So anyone is interacting with you, brokers outside the railway station, when you take exit, please keep in note that you should not interact with anyone. Friends, once you reach Surat railway station, you have to be very careful with the brokers people who will interact with you, who will tell you that we will take you to the other markets. Please avoid such interactions. I only request directly you come down to Surat railway station, get exit from the railway station, take auto or cab, where 10 minutes you can just put the location of Kesaria Textile Manufacturers, Millennium Textile Building, first floor. Morning to 9:30 our shop will be open, and you can directly come. You can do n number of collections of shopping at manufacturing price, quality services, and the quality collections you can buy from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. So I request everyone, please avoid interactions with brokers and unknown persons when they are calling to you to other markets. So friends, finally we have reached Millennium Textile Building 1. You have to keep it in a mind, like Millennium Textile Building 1, you have to come from Ring Road. It's at the main road. You can see here the view of the building, which is located on the top first floor, Kesaria Textile. So by the way, from Surat railway station, you can take private autos, cab, location you can put, and directly you can reach here. So let's go to the reception. Finally, we reached to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. So this is at Millennium Textile Building 1, which is a first floor, which is at the main road it is located. So it's easily you can find out through the Google Maps or through private autos, through cabs, you can reach to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. After reaching Kesaria Textile, you have to meet at the reception point. Reception point, you will meet your sales executives according to your language. Reception is the main point for your smooth communication and the shopping. If I talk about the communication, communication is most important for any city you go, for any purchase you go. Everyone feels uncomfortable, right? So I don't know Hindi, I don't know Gujarati, I don't know language, how I'm going to tell about my requirement. Everyone will have such queries, right? So no need to worry. I'm at the Kesaria Textile reception point. Here our executives are there. Here will understand your requirement according to your which city you're coming, what language you understand and comfortable to do the shopping. So according to your language, we do have all sales executives at offline also, even at online also. So you can have a visit purchase smoothly according to your language and according to your requirements, whether it is sari, lehengas, kurtis, and number of boutique varieties you can purchase at manufacturing cost the Kesaria is giving you. So why are you worried? So please visit once and do the visit purchase and enjoy your shopping and start a business. Don't sit idle. Anyone is interested, I have a finance, I have a financial support, I am getting bored, but being independent and doing a business will make you more experience, more learning, and keep yourself busy. So clothing business is a business where every day demand at the market and trending, everyone is looking for new varieties. So this video, the video information what I've shared with you, how to reach Kesaria from Surat railway station to Kesaria is just 10 minutes. According to my video information, you can also follow and you can visit once, and I believe this video will be helpful to you. So please subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon over there. Please click it, subscribe, please follow. So next video I'll come up with many more informations and with the videos. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.